Guys, welcome to my channel Mathias Putra. And for you the first time to visit my channel, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get my new video every day to improve your trading skill. Oke teman-teman, selamat datang di channel saya Mathias Putra. Sekali lagi untuk Anda yang pertama kali datang, jangan lupa subscribe supaya Anda bisa dapat video-video saya setiap harinya untuk menambah keahlian Anda dalam dunia trading tentunya ya. Jadi hari ini saya akan coba memakai dua bahasa, oleh karena ternyata yang nonton video saya banyak dari luar juga dan mereka selalu mempertanyakan saya kenapa tidak memakai bahasa Inggris ya, mereka tidak tahu bahasa Indonesia. Saya akan ini pakai sedikit saja ya. Kalau banyak soalnya saya juga nggak bisa soalnya. Oke ya, saya campur-campur dikit bahasa Inggris. Oke guys, this video I use a bilingual. I will speak Indonesian and English a little bit. So at least you can get the PowerPoint. Okay, I would like to share my trading plan today with a simple method. I only use horizontal line as my support resistance to make my trading plan today, especially in the GBPJPY pair. Okay, this is include the enthusiast pair, so interesting to trade. Okay, jadi ini adalah pair yang sangat menarik, gerakannya sangat antusias ya teman-teman. Oke, jadi untuk teman-teman yang mau belajar price action secara advance, teman-teman setiap bulan saya ada membuka kelas baik online maupun offline. Teman-teman bisa hubungi saya di WA deskripsi video ini ya. Kemudian apalagi teman-teman, ya teman-teman yang baru tentu jangan pakai uang sungguhan tapi pakai uang demo ya, jadi supaya menghindari resiko. Kalau Anda sudah profit baru oke gitu ya. Oke, for you friends as a newbie in forex trading, be careful. First of all, I suggest you don't use the real account or real money, but you can exercise your trading skill. Use the demo account, okay, to what is this? To limit your risk. Okay, right. Now we start. Okay, I try to analyze by the support resistance line. Okay, now I put the support resistance line here. Ya, teman-teman ya, kita pakai support resistance line ya. Oke, sini itu ya. What I put here, you see, this is a resistance. 1, 2, ya teman-teman, saya selalu memulai dengan apa ini? Dengan ini ya, daily time frame ya. Okay friends, I always use the daily time frame to see the big picture and to see the price where to move. Okay, sini satu ya teman-teman ya. Oke ya. Nah kemudian sekarang kita akan untuk melihat titik entry-nya, kita harus ke time frame yang lebih rendah. Oke teman-teman, ini adalah cara untuk di daily saya sudah garis support resistance. Oke friends, this is my daily support resistance, and to get the better price for entry, I have to move to the lower time frame. Ya teman-teman, kita ke ini H4. See, X4 based on this resistance line, we can get entry here, but be careful because the trend is up. The trend is up, must be careful. Ini teman-teman, kalau kita mau sell di sini kita mesti hati-hati ya, karena apa ya? Karena ini trennya lagi up. Oke. Jadi sebaiknya teman-teman di sini juga ada secara ini ya. Oke. Oke. Kita lihat skenario nya. Now we see the scenario entry, buy or sell. Buy or sell. Hello. Okay. I prefer buy because this is trending up. Okay, my plan to sell the first. My plan to buy the first. Pertama saya akan membuy di wilayah di sini ya, teman-teman. Oke ya. Saya akan buy di angka. Tunggu dia balik, saya akan buy di angka di sini ya. Kemudian stop loss di sini, teman-teman. Buy di angka 139781. Stop loss di 139094. Okay, the first scenario I buy here 139.7x1, and my first target here, and we have to set the stop loss here. Why we need set the stop loss? Because the stop loss risk. No, I mean the stop loss can limit our risk. Okay, the stop loss price 139.67 or 60 is alright. Okay, this is the first target, 140.650 is okay. And the second target before the resistance here. Oke. Jadi ya target kedua di sini ya, teman-teman ya. Target satu, target dua, better alright for you guys. Ya, saya tulis saja. Buy. Maka kita beli di sini, teman-teman, kita mendapat harga murah. Kalau dia balik ya, dia koreksi dulu sampai sini, kita buy ya. Target satu di sini, target buy ke sini. Okay, friend. Why I put my buy here? Because usually the price before achieve this resistance, the price is turn down first for correction, and then after touch this what is this line, the support line, and then we have the price will return back up. So we can get the cheap price for entry. Buy and stop loss. Stop loss here. Target profit 1. Target 1. No. And target profit 2 before this line, before the resistance line. Okay. And the second scenario, the second scenario, teman, kita lihat ya, trading kedua ini yang pertama. Nah, bagaimana kalau harganya itu tidak balik? Oke, kita tunggu. Saya ini dulu ya. Oke. What we have to do when the price never go back, never turn down, and the price keep going up. When the price keep going up, we have to wait until the price break our resistance line. Okay, the second scenario to buy when the price, ya, ketika harga ini menembus, teman-teman, menembus ini ya, when the price break out our resistance line, then we put our buying here, this line. Okay, by here, this price 142.5020, something like that. Don't forget to put your stop loss here. This is very important to put a stop loss to limit the risk. And then remember, friend, after the price break out the resistance line, and then we set buy limit here, we hope the price will correction, a small correction, back touch our buying price, and then the price continue up. Ya, begini ya teman-teman ya. Jadi kita harus sabar, jangan langsung dia break kita langsung melakukan buy, karena pertama itu resiko Anda jadi lebar, kedua kalau dia jatuh lagi maksudnya ya risikonya lebar saja. Oke ya. Kemudian target pertama, the first target, what the reason we set the first target here. Remember, the first target, I always put the risk ratio 1:1. Okay, 1:1. That means when you stop loss, let's say 100, and then you must get the first target at least 100, 102. The second target we set before the next resistance. Ya, target kedua adalah teman taruh sebelum resisten kedua di sini. Okay. Second target here. Okay. Stop loss. This number. Okay. this number. Okay, for our stop loss 141.30. Oke. Ya, stop lossnya itu 141.830. Kemudian the second target 143.360. It's okay, more or less. And then the second target kedua 144.550 lah ya. The second target is 144.550. Okay. Okay guys, very simple, right? We have the two scenario for entry buy and forex. Okay. Now I will show you why this method is very good or very powerful. Now we backtest. We look to left. Okay, I will show you. See the result. You see here, support, and then the price back to your support and then continue going up. You see, resistance. When the price touch your resistance, go down, resistance, go down, resistance, go down, resistance, go down. You see? Yeah, also resistance. This simple method, but very powerful, guys. Here, resistance, go down. You see, resistance, go back to our resistance. Not resistance here. The support. Support line up, almost touch, and here get your support line up. Okay. Okay, guys, this is my trading plan for GBPJPY. So I hope can get you some new insight for your trading to improve your trading profit. So see you my next video. Good luck. Oke, teman-teman ya, begitulah ya untuk trading plan buat GBPJPY. Jadi semoga berhasil. Salam profit untuk kita semua.